What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install and use Anaconda for Python development on your Windows PC. Anaconda is a popular distribution of Python that simplifies package management, environment setup, and is widely used for data science and machine learning. First, head over to the Anaconda website at anaconda.com and download the latest version of the Anaconda installer for Windows. You'll be required to enter your email address and a download link will be sent to your inbox. The download file will be relatively large, so it might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. In my case, it took around 2 minutes to download the 1 GB setup file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder and run the Anaconda installer. When prompted, click Next. Agree to the terms. Select Just Me to install Anaconda for your user profile and then click Next again. Choose the default installation location or customize it by selecting Browse to choose a different path and then click Next. Make sure to check the box that says Add Anaconda to my path environment variable and check Register Anaconda as my default Python 3.12. These will allow you to use Anaconda for Python projects more seamlessly. Click Install to start the installation. This process will take a minute or two. Once the installation is complete, you can verify that Anaconda is installed properly. Open the Anaconda prompt from your Start menu. Type conda --version and hit Enter. If installed correctly, you should see the version of conda displayed in the terminal. To check if Python was installed correctly with Anaconda, type python --version. This should display the Python version installed with Anaconda. Now that Anaconda is installed, let's open the Anaconda Navigator from the Start menu. This is a graphical interface that allows you to manage environments, packages, and applications like Jupyter Notebooks and Spyder. Once opened, you'll see options like Jupyter Notebook, Spyder, and other data science tools that come pre-installed with Anaconda. You can use these tools for Python development. Anaconda is great because it allows you to create isolated environments for different projects. This is especially useful when working with multiple Python projects that might require different package versions. To create a new environment, head back to the Anaconda prompt and use the command conda create --name my environment. Replace my environment with your preferred environment name, such as data science. In this case, it'd be conda create --name data science. Once created, activate the environment using conda activate my environment. You can also install packages into this environment using conda install package name. For example, conda install numpy. One of the most popular tools in Anaconda is Jupyter Notebook, which is widely used for data analysis and machine learning. To open Jupyter Notebook, head to the Anaconda Navigator. Click on the Jupyter Notebook icon or in the Anaconda prompt, use the command Jupyter Notebook. This will open a new tab in your default browser where you can create and manage notebooks, write Python code, and visualize data. To ensure you have the latest packages and tools, it's important to update Anaconda regularly. Open the Anaconda prompt and use the command conda update conda. Once conda is updated, you can update Anaconda with conda update Anaconda. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.